In this session, we're going to show you how you can share a preview presentation of a session created in the BravoZone. In this example, we're going to go ahead and preview or review content that was put in a quiz show game. And this is not going to look like the game itself. What it's going to do is give you the information that you can preview it. So if you want to send this to a colleague to review the content before it's presented, this is an excellent way of doing that. So you notice here at top we see 13 numbers. This represents the number of questions within this particular quiz show. I can just click on any of these numbers and I will go to that question. The user will see when they're sent this link is the question, any images within the question, the answers and the correct answer. If there's summary slides or preview slides, they'll see that content as well, and any images as well as links that are in any of the questions or summary or preview slides, and so on and so forth. You'll also see if there's any video clips or audio files that can be played here as well. So how do you create this URL that you can send out to others? Well, it's very simple. So I'm here in Quiz Show. You see we have 13 questions. I go to the publish page. This is currently unpublished. And you notice right now we only have one link available. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And now you'll see here this additional link called Content Preview Link. I can simply click on the blue text and that'll open up a new page and I can review it, or I can copy it and send it out to whoever I want to see it. Another really important feature to talk about is participant sign-in requirements. By default, any of the games in the new tally will be set by default to no sign-in required. You can restrict who can see this link if you send it out. And by the way, it can only be seen, that link can only be seen if you send it to somebody. It's not something people can find. So sign-in required requires a user to actually create an account within the C3 cloud. No sign-in required, which is set up by default, or choose who can participate. So if you have other people already in your organization, you can go ahead and choose specifically who you want to share it with. Or only I can play. Now you may say at first, why would I ever use this feature? Well, maybe I'm going to send this out to students that attended a session, and I'm going to use this game later on, but I don't want that link to be always visible. So at any time you can change it, only I can play. And that will then lock it down until you change it to something else. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.